Alright guys, we're back here. We're back here with more stuff that's going on. So today I'm getting my car ready for some more drifting, and what I found out was that temporarily I was just using this connector here, just plugged in as such, one in there, one in there. And as you can see here, that's really dangerous, and it kept coming off, kept coming loose. Because that's not what you're supposed to do anyway. And if these wires were to touch together, you would fry the battery, possibly start a fire. And therefore, that's not something that anybody should be doing at all. Occasionally I do stuff like that because I test stuff, but I'm a professional dummy, and therefore I never ever want anybody else to copy what I do. But now what I'm going to do is put that together with this. And therefore it will have a proper connection. It'll go in like so, and these will be soldered or put together properly. Possibly may use some shrinking rubber tape to go in there so that it'll be like more of a professional job rather than a big mess as it is right now. But anyway, I will be doing that in the next video because this video already got pretty long. But that was the intro, so see you in the next one.